Hey guys, I'm Sharanya and welcome back to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. As the title of the video says, this video is all about how you can cover up your dark circles with makeup. Today's topic is dark circles, how you can combat dark circles. So I don't have crazy dark circle, but if I come closer, you can definitely see some darkness in the inner corners, and then I think it kind of stops right here. All right, so for some people, they have a significant amount of dark circles. They might even sometimes have like very sunken under eye as well. So if your dark circle is close to mine, this is definitely the video for you. If you have deeper dark circles than mine, I will be definitely giving you some techniques and the ways with which you can cover up those dark circles. First and foremost, you need to assess if you have dark circle or not. When you see yourself in the mirror, if you feel like you can see slight darkness under the eyes, those are called dark circles. And then these dark circles are caused by various factors. It could be dehydration, strain on your eyes by watching a computer or any kind of screen for a longer period of time. It could be genetics. Genetics plays a huge role as well. It could be fatigue. It could be due to your age. As you grow older, all the skin underneath the eye become more thinner, and then the blood vessels beneath the skin become more prominent and more visible. You cannot really make the dark circles disappear because it's already there. But you can definitely try to minimize the appearance of the dark circles or make the under eyes kind of brighter. So for this, you can use eye creams regularly. In the market there are a lot of eye creams, but I don't use an eye cream. I use whatever the moisturizer I have. I just take it under my eyes and then I just kind of pat it. The next best thing would be to apply makeup if you want to kind of look put together and cover up. So this is using color correction product and a concealer. So I'm gonna pull up the color wheel maybe right here or right here. So if you see that the colors opposite of any color are used to neutralize each other. If you have dark circles, those are due to the blood vessels underneath the skin, so which are blue in color, or if you see the color wheel, the color opposite to the green is red, orange, and peachish in that range. So when you color correct, you need the products which are in reddish, orange, peach, pink color tones. So for example, for fair skin, you would use a cool pink corrector. And if you are a light-skinned person, you would use a peach toned color corrector. And if you are like me, from light medium to medium and olive skin tone, you would use like a orange color corrector. And if you have a much deeper skin tone and then you have dark circles, you would need an orange, or which is leaning more towards a red color corrector. So for today's video, for some reason I do not have a orange color corrector, but I do have a reddish color corrector. This is by the brand LA Girl. It's their Pro Concealer, and this is a color corrector in the shade reddish. I have no idea why I did not pick up their orange corrector, so I'm gonna swatch them for you. Squeeze it, and if you see, this is a very red in color, but definitely I'm not gonna use this for sure because I don't have that much of a dark circles under my eye. So I'm gonna be using a very teeny amount of this corrector because I don't need this much. So first I'm gonna be applying a moisturizer under the eye, or whatever the moisturizer you use for the face, just apply it underneath the eyes and then gently pat it. And I have already done that, and then let it sink into your under eye for some time. And I'm gonna apply this on the back of my hand. I believe this much for now. I'm gonna take this brush. This is a flat foundation brush by Eco Tools, and I'm just going to take a small amount and then I'm going to apply this right wherever I see the darkness. Yeah, right here. And then I'm gonna drag it out. Can you see it's so pigmented? So I'm just going to spread it and wherever I see the color. So like so. I'm going to take some more for my other eye and then just blend it. I did not realize that this corrector or this particular product kind of what is the word, dries down very quickly, so you have to work a little bit faster. Since I'm using teeny amount, a small amount of this product, I think I can get away with blending it slowly. If you give a focus under my eyes, it's kind of cancelled the dark circles, kind of warms up the face as well, so that it almost matches the tone of my face, like a medium skin tone. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to apply a concealer. You can use a concealer which is closer to your skin shade for a more natural kind of a look, or you can go ahead with a concealer which is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin, so that your under eye look more bright, and it also kind of conceals your under eye as well. So for today, I'm going to be using a lighter shade concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It is a satin finish, comes with a doe-foot applicator like so, and I'm gonna swatch that. So as you see here, it is lighter than my skin for sure. So what I'm gonna do is, since I already applied here, I'm gonna take that with my Real Techniques eye brush. I'm gonna apply it under the eye. So right here. So like so. Now I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out. So you can use your finger, or you can still use that same brush to blend completely, but I prefer beauty blender because this gives a lighter coverage and also kind of soaks up excess concealer if at all I used too much concealer. So now, wrong side. So now if you can see, this kind of brightens up my under eye and also kind of conceals that red corrector that I used. So I'm gonna now apply the concealer to the other eye. Always work in layers, which means is that apply a little amount and then see if you need more coverage, and then blend again, apply some more if you feel like you need more product, and then blend again. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. First I'm just spreading the product wherever I need, and then I'm gonna blend it using the blender. I'm also taking the concealer on my eyelid because I know this e.l.f. concealer is a really good concealer. It's a very new purchase. Like I bought it like a month ago. It's been working really well for me so far. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more just here and then drag it down a teeny bit. You can see that it kind of hides the dark circles really well. So as I said, you can choose a concealer which is same as your skin shade, or you can also go like me 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I'm gonna quickly apply a foundation and then I'll be right back. Okay, now just check under your eyes if the concealer is creasing or not. So this concealer is creasing a little bit. That means it is settling into the fine lines under my eyes. Now it's time to set the concealer. So for setting the concealer, you can use a loose setting powder or a pressed powder. I'm going to use this NYX HD finishing powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and pick up the product, tap off the excess, and gently press the product, and then use the blender to remove the excess product again, and also to remove the settling of the concealer, and then tap gently. So this will make the concealer to sit and not move around throughout the day, and also eliminates the creasing. And then I'm gonna set it the whole face. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have done the complete makeup look right now, and this is how it looks. So if I come closer, and then if you're in person, you might still see some darkness kind of like in the inner corner, but if you're talking from far away, or like you're in the event going on and about, you will not see the darkness under this eyes. Again, it all depends on how dark is your under eye, or what kind of veins are popping through the under eyes. Depending on that, you will be using a color corrector. So I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial, and also please assess the dark circles that you have, and then see what are the things you need to kind of remedy that. If you did like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And do you think this video is helpful to you? If it is, please let me know in the comment section as well. I would love to help you out if you have any questions in the comment section. And all the product links to all the products, I will try my best to link them in the description box. Sometimes I forget, sometimes I get lazy, so lazy girl's problem. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Namaste.